Hi, I'm sodium. I currently have one valence electron and I need to lose electrons. Hi, I'm chlorine. I'm in desperate need of another valence electron, for I have 7. Oh, you need electrons? Yeah, bro, I need some valence electrons. I got you. I now have a charge of -1. I now have a charge of +1. Oh, our opposite charges are dragging us together. We've turned into sodium chloride. I guess you could say that's a salt. Okay, so this element is potassium, and it has 1 valence electron. This element is chlorine, and it has 7 valence electrons. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, right now, both atoms have neutral charges. But we can change that. So, if we move 1 valence electron over to chlorine, potassium will have a charge of +1, and chlorine will have a charge of -1. And now, because their charges are opposite, they move together and become potassium chloride. This is great. Oh no, where did it go? Breaking news. An ionic compound has escaped from jail and is currently on the run from the law. In case you happen to see him, here are some things to look out for. Number 1. The ionic compound is crystal in structure due to its structure being alternating positive and negative ions. Number 2. The compound is hard because it is tightly packed ions that are strongly attached together, but it is also brittle because of the presence of a non-directional bond between the ions. Number 3. It is a good conductor, but only when molten or dissolved in water because the ions are free to move around. Number 4. Finally, it has high melting and boiling point because of the strong electrostatic force of attraction between the positive and negatively charged ions, which means that a large amount of energy is needed to break the strong bonding force. If you see this ionic compound, please call your local police station. Oh, what's this? Oh crap. Now introducing the new ionic bond. You can get rid of your old covalent bonds and buy a new product, the ionic bond. When compared to a covalent bond, our ionic bonds have a much higher electronegativity difference, which will result in a much stronger bond. When you buy our ionic bond, you can make sure to get the best deal by buying an ionic compound with an extra strong bond. Our strongest bonds are made of elements with higher charges like -3 and +3, and they work by having a stronger attraction to one another. In other words, the more electrons transfer, the stronger the bond, so you'll know you're getting the best deal. Buy our new ionic bond and you won't regret it. When an ionic bond is formed, the two elements usually are a metal and a non-metal. Additionally, the difference between the electronegativity values of the two elements must be greater than or equal to 1.7 for the bond to be ionic.